I've got these 2,000 euros and these can be yours. For a little help though. So we are looking for a new mechanic at Ringfreaks, and if you know a guy who is pretty good working on cars and he would like to join our team, well, recommend him this job offering, and once he joins our Ringfreaks team, you will get these 2,000 euros. That's that simple, and more info in the end of the video. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now let's talk about the position we are hiring for. So we are looking for a mechanic to prepare and run our rental race cars, and at Ringfreaks we believe that each of us needs to be able to do any tasks which are needed to simply prepare these cars to be race cars and also to maintain and run these. So you will be never bored because of the variety of tasks simply to do that. And even it's a seasonal business, every position at Ringfreaks is permanent because we have so much to do during the season and off season too. Because we have already 19 rental cars and all of them were driving during the season. So what do we do during the off season? First, we clean each car, we prepare it for the next season. So it means that during the off season, we do the deep cleaning for each car. We also do the bigger maintenance for each car. So once the season starts, every car which was driving the last season would be as fresh as possible for the new season. And we would have less work during the season because both technically and by the looks, it's almost like new. So that's what we are doing the off-season first, and later we are building the new cars. So like this off-season from bigger maintenance we did was on each F30 we have installed brand new engines, and because we have already prepared all the cars for the season and all are fresh and clean and just waiting till the track opens, now we start to prepare new cars. So here is one more F30 for the next season. Here are the new engines for that. So during the off season, we definitely do not get bored as we have much more to do when we have time. And the season is a little bit different. So during the season, after each rental, each car needs to be test driven for a small test drive. Also after that, it needs to be cleaned and checked, and the checklist needs to be filled, as well doing some normal regular maintenance on the car like oil changes, brake pads and so on. As well, sadly, because the track is open and people are really hot and driving fast, sometimes sadly we damage our cars and then we need to do some body work. And you know, even the track is open, well, we are working here, so you're not driving the track during working hours. But when it's your free time, the track is just 5 minutes away, so you can have fun. And what I also want to mention about the Ringfreaks, so every job which we are doing at Ringfreaks, from preparing the car from being completely original to being a race car, and also all the works during the running of it, so like maintenance and also rebuilding of certain components, we are doing everything here in-house at Ringfreaks. So we have a variety of jobs to do here and things to learn from. So what we are looking for? So if we are looking for the car passionate people who have previous work experience working on cars, and also who really desire to work on the race cars, because it's a little bit different than working on the standard cars. It would be really good if you would have some experience working on project cars or some race cars, but that's not really mandatory. Everything you can learn later. And in the end, what's very important that you would be able and you would be keen to learn new things, and you would be also able to do various tasks. And at Ringfreaks we believe that everything you can learn if you want. So your current skill level is not that much important, but willingness to do the things as best as you can and to learn the new things along the way, that's definitely a must. So yeah, so we are looking for a petrol head with work experience working on cars and who would really like to work on the race cars every day. So what do we offer? So of course, we offer a working position in a well-known Nürburgring company, Ringfreaks. And about the salary starts from 2,000 and up to 3,500 euros net. So it's after all the taxes and mandatory health insurance and everything. So it's what you get. And of course, during the season, we have a big bonuses. So yeah, we work 5 days a week. We have 24 days of holiday days per year. And of course, you would have an opportunity to work with the team which has a big racing knowledge, so you would have who to learn from various things. And one bonus thing you have, so that if you want to build your own project car, you have a possibility to use on your free time our Ringfreaks workshop. So like this, Sierras is now building a full roll cage in his Ford Sierra. So yeah, he's simply using the benefit on his free time to have a beautiful workshop for his beautiful red Sierra. So, if you are interested in this job offering, don't hesitate to write me an email to ringfreaksjobs@gmail.com. So ringfreaksjobs, it's a one word. And of course, include a small write-up about yourself, include the projects which you have worked on, also what languages do you speak, and also what kind of education you have and what kind of experience working on cars you had. And if your friend recommended this video to you and he wants to get these 2,000 euros, of course, mention his name, and in case we start working together, your friend will get these 2,000 euros and you will have a dream job. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to share these videos to the guys who might be interested in this job.